In this video, I'm going to show you 8 proven jobs that you can do to make around $20 per hour as a student or any individual. If you want to make money by completing some task without investing, then this video is for you. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing first, you can use freelance platform like Upwork or Fiverr to find these jobs, which I'm going to tell you in this video. And you can get lots of jobs to complete and earn money in Upwork and Fiverr. However, I'll be completely talking all the jobs that I'm going to mention in this video will be available in Fiverr, but you can find those jobs in Upwork also. So now let's get to our easiest and number one job, and that will be converting PDF document into Word. As you can see, other people are already doing this kind of jobs and making good amount of money. Now you may see that this is just a $5, but if I show you by opening this gig, then you can see for 1 to 5 pages it is $5, and for 10 to 20 pages it is $20, and you can easily complete this 10 to 20 page, convert this 10 to 20 page in within hour and make this much amount of money. And if you go to the premium, then it would be like $40 for 20 to 50 pages. Now what exactly this job is like, people will provide you PDF document and you need to either write, as you can see here, you need to either type or write by your hand and do similar kind of stuff and make money. So for example, if someone send you PDF, simply type it in Microsoft Word and send that file to them and make your money. Similarly, our second online job that can pay you good amount is going to be logo designs. You can literally learn how you can design this kind of logo either in Photoshop or in Canva Pro, and you can easily design this kind of logo and start to sell these services of logo design in Fiverr, and you can make good amount of money according to the design skill that you learn. So this takes us to our third job, that is translation services. Like if you know Korean, then you can translate English language into Korean and make this kind of gig on Fiverr and sell. As you can see here, lots of selling is happening in by this person. I mean, this person is selling a lot. Okay, so you may see here $5, but again I have showed you previously this is more than $5, okay, according to the work that you get. And if you know to any of the two language like Spanish or whatever language, if you know, you can use that skill to translate the words or document that the buyer will provide you, and you can make good amount of money by doing this also. Our online job number 4 is being an English teacher. You can teach English to students, like if you can even teach those to kids. If you are good in English, then you can start this gig and start to sell this kind of tuition or whatever you want to call it. Or you may teach to like Russian people English, how English is spoken in a practical way. You can start those kind of gigs and earn good amount of money by starting this online job. Our 5 number job is going to be freelance writer. So lots of people come to Fiverr to hire blog writer, and if you can write blog writer, article writer, okay, they come here to hire these people, and you can build this skill of writing blog article, and you can start to do this kind of online jobs and make good amount of money from Fiverr. Our job number 6 is going to be social media account manager. So this basically means you need to manage their Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever they want you to manage. You need to manage, make posts, okay, upload photos or do that kind of stuff, and you can make good amount of money by doing this. And you can also watch some of other videos on how you can become a better social media account manager, and then you can start this service on Fiverr to make good amount of money. So this takes us to our seventh online job, and that will be virtual assistant, VA. So virtual assistant simply means people will hire you to do lots of stuff, like they may hire you for data entry, or they may hire you to do some research or some type, or they may hire you to remind them something, that kind of. It is simply an assistant, okay, but virtual. You will not be in his country or his place, but you will virtually be assisting him on his work. So that kind of thing you can do, and you can learn about, you can even take some simple course to learn how to become a excellent virtual assistant. And it is a high demand job that you can do not only on Fiverr but in other platform too. Okay, it can pay really well if done in well manner. Last but not the least is YouTube video editor. Now most people skip this section, okay, this part, because editing or doing video stuff is a little bit hard, but this is a skill that can pay you for lifelong. Like editing, you can do editing in such a short time. You can just work for 1 hour per day and make good amount of money for your month. That much high video editor or YouTube video editor can earn. Okay, and especially people, lots of people come to Fiverr, Upwork and freelance site to hire good editor. Okay, so try to learn, take some courses and become a good YouTube video editor, and you'll never need to worry about money. Okay, you literally don't need to do anything if you have this video editing skill, especially of YouTube videos. So guys, altogether that's it.